Welcome to Builder Information Systems Video Learning Center. This tutorial will cover how to set up workers' comp classifications. The workers' comp classification option allows company and employee rates to be recorded for state-specific workers' comp classifications that are applied to an employee's payroll hours. A default classification may be set up for each employee in the Employee's Master Record State Tax tab. Within payroll hours and adjustments, each payroll line then is associated with a workers' comp classification. Reports for workers' comps may be found in the payroll section of the Reports menu. Note the Payroll Module Manual, which is available in PDF format, is an available resource, as is the help resource within BIS. To set up the Workers' Comp classification, select the Workers' Comp Classifications link in the white area of the My Desktop Payroll folder, or go to List and select Workers' Comp Classifications in the menu. To start, on the main tab of the Workers' Comp Classification form, enter or select the applicable state two-letter abbreviation, or select it using the lookup feature to the right of the field. Enter the name of the insurance carrier along with the address and all other pertinent information. Click the Settings tab. First, select the applicable calculation mode and enter your company's experience modifier. The gross workers' compensation amount will be multiplied by the modifier to determine the company's payment. If an employee deduction is required for workers' compensation, place a check mark in this box. Enter or select the workers' comp payable account. Now select the Classification tab. To enter a classification, with the first row selected, enter the classification code, description, company rate, and employer rate if it is applicable. You may click the Insert button in the lower right to add a new row above the currently selected row, or select the next row to continue adding classifications. Enter all the needed classifications to complete the process. The UDF tab is available if you need to create any related user-definable fields. The Note tab will allow you to record any needed notes. Upon completing the Workers' Comp classification settings, save and close the Workers' Comp classification form. Note that any time you've made changes in Workers' Comp classifications and go to close the screen, a prompt will appear. Do you want to save the changes? Select Yes to save the changes. As mentioned earlier, a default classification may be set up for each employee in the Employee's Master Record by going to the State Tax tab, clicking the Tax ellipsis button, and entering or selecting the classification code. This will be the employee's default classification when entering payroll. The classification may be changed on the fly during the payroll process.